Major support for Do the Math has been provided by Chevron, the Kern County Superintendent of Schools, Edison International, Kern Schools Federal Credit Union, California Resources Corporation, Bakersfield West Rotary Stroop Family Foundation, Panama Buena Vista Union School District, Bakersfield City School District, and the Kern High School District, with additional production assistance provided by these supporters of education in Kern County and throughout the state of California.
We are live today at the Boys and Girls Club on Niles Street and kicking off our 17th season, and we are here to do the math! We are live today at the Boys and Girls Club on Niles Street, and I have a whole bunch of new friends with me, and I'm going to have them introduce themselves to you.
Hi, my name is Rafaela, and I'm in 6th grade, and I go to Washington Middle School.
My name is Daisy Flores, and I'm in 4th grade, and I go to Longfellow. My name is Caitlin, and I'm in 4th grade, and I go to Longfellow.
My name is Isaac Corral, and I am in 6th grade, and I go to Voorhees Elementary.
Hi, my name is Clemente. I go to Longfellow Elementary. I'm in 6th grade.
Hi, my name is Marley Makinich, and I'm in 6th grade, and I go to Longfellow.
Hi, my name is Edwin. I'm in 5th grade, and I go to Noble Elementary.
Hi, my name is Ethan Flores. I'm in 5th grade, and I go to Longfellow Elementary School.
Okay, you guys, you ready to get going?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So we were talking, and since we're all in 4th, 5th, and 6th, we know the most important foundational skills is
Multiplication.
Yes. It's really the basis to everything. And once you understand that, all your other math is going to be easy, right? But really, what is multiplication? What is it?
Multiplication is the repeated of addition.
Yes? Do you agree, Isaac?
Yes.
Okay, so do we all agree? Yes? It's just repeated addition. Okay, so we were talking about a problem as simple as 3 multiplied by 2. Yes? And that's pretty much mental math for us, right?
Yes.
However, can you show me on your papers what 3 multiplied by 2 looks like in a picture? Go.
So put it right here. So I'm gonna put the first cookie.
No, you said me, remember?
No, but we're both gonna do we're all 3 of us gonna do our own cookie.
No, you just made her cookie. 2 rows of 3.
No, not right there.
No.
Should have put it next to each other.
2 rows of 3.
And put yeah, I know. Put your 2 chocolate chips.
Yeah, do 3 hearts right here.
Right on the ones?
Yes.
A line?
Yeah, just a line. You draw the other hearts right here.
So what are we doing over here, gentlemen? Can you tell me what you're doing?
We're making 2 rows of 3 pizzas.
Ah, we got some pepperonis going, I take it. Yes? Pepperoni pizzas? Okay. So how many total pizzas are you going to have then?
6.
Okay. What did you guys do over here? What did this group do? Can you explain?
We made 1 row of cookies with 2 chocolate chips in each.
Okay. So you have 3 groups of?
2.
Of 2. So how many total do you have then?
6.
Okay. Show me that answer.
6, because it's 2 rows
Of 3.
of 3, yes.
Okay, ladies, explain to us what you did over here.
So we did 2 rows of 3 hearts in each row.
Okay, so
That's
you
how
have,
we got our answer.
so you have 2 groups of 3?
Yes.
Which is total of 6.
Yes.
So is it fair that even though we all have something different, did we all come up with the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, so this is pretty easy. 3 multiplied by 2, right? So I know in 4th grade, we start multiplying with double digits. But is it still grouping?
Yes.
Yes? So the one I'm going to give you is 12 multiplied by 13. 12 multiplied by 13. Let's think about that. It's 12 groups of what?
13.
12 groups of 13. If you want to write on the same paper or turn it over, you may. Show me how in a picture format we can do 12 groups of 13 to get our answer.
Okay.
Go.
So we can do right here.
So what's your plan first, gentlemen?
I'm gonna do 12 circles, and then I'm gonna make us one circle around it, so it could be
So if you have 12, you have one group. This is one group. Remember, write down the formula first. It's 12 multiplied by 13. Write that down so you have the equation. 12 multiplied by 13. Okay?
Okay.
So we know it's... So how many groups of these are you going to do if there's 12 each?
That's what we have to do.
13. Write 12 multiplied by 13 on your paper. So what are we doing over here? What's your
We're gonna
thinking?
do we're gonna do circles in each, because if it's 12 rows, and we're gonna go down 13 until there's 13 in each row.
Okay. All right. Keep going. All right. What's our plan over here? What's my back group's plan?
So we're gonna do 13 rows with 12 boxes in each row.
Okay. All right. So we're going to get started. So how do we know which row is which? Do we want to number our rows so we know where we're at?
1, 2.
Okay. Keep working. Okay, you guys changed plans. You changed plans. So what's our plan now?
So we did 12 circles, and we're gonna do 13 in each circle.
Get going. Get going. So again, with multiplication, what we just need to understand, it's just simply, what everybody?
Yeah.
Repeated, what is multiplication? Repeated addition. So as they're working. So they're going to continue to work and figure out our answer. And when we come back, they're going to have an answer for us, but we're going to continue with multiplication with multi-digits, and we're going to show all the different ways we can solve these problems. We are back live at the Boys and Girls Club on Niles Street, and today the name of the game is?
Do the math!
Yes, but what are we working on?
Multiplication!
Yes. Okay, so when they went to break, we weren't quite done yet with our problem, but we have finished, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with this group. Can you kind of explain to us how you got at your answer?
So we just counted all the boxes, then we got 156. So then we checked their answer by multiplying 12 times 13, and we got 156.
What is this method called, Isaac?
Standard algorithm.
Can you quickly show us how to do standard algorithm? What did you do first?
So I multiplied 2 and 3, and it got 6. Then I multiplied 3 and 1, then it equals 3. Then I annexed a 0.
Why? Why is that 0 there? What does that represent? Does it represent the tens position because that 1 is in the tens position?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Then I multiplied 1 times 2, then I got 2. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. Then I added all them up and got 156.
Very good. Okay, you ladies did something different. You went on a different pathway, correct? So what did you do?
So we did the same thing as the other group, but we did circles, and when we were done making the circles, we made groups of 2, and we added them together, and we got 26, and then we added two numbers, and we got 52, and then there was one left over, 52, so we added 52 plus 52, which is 104, and we added 52 to that, so it's 156.
Very good. And you guys even went a different route, correct? Explain what you did.
we made 12 big circles, and inside them there's 13 dots. So we counted 2 groups, and we got 26. Then we added 26 equals 52. 26 equals 52. We added both of them, and it equaled 104. So we had 2 more 56 left. So we added 104, and 206 equals 130. And then 130 plus 26 equals 156.
Very good. Even though we all went different routes, did we all get the same question answer? I should
Yes.
say. We did. So does this show that there's many ways to solve a problem?
Yes.
And remember, multiplication is just repeated
Addition.
Put this paper underneath and let's get a clean one. Okay. And I'm going to show you even another way to solve. And it goes kind of with this, it kind of goes with the standard algorithm, but I'm going to write it out for you. Here, we're going to take even a bigger number, and we are going to write on our paper 32 multiplied by 24. Can everybody write 32 multiplied by 24 on your paper? Okay? At the top, write it at the top. 32 multiplied by 24. We're going to use place value. We all know what place value is, right? So tell me, real quick, the 3 and the 2. What place value is this 2 and this 3 in? What are the what?
Tens.
The tens. So what is the 2 and the 4 in?
Ones.
Ones. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to create a box. Okay. Oh, create a box a little bit lower. I should have created mine a little bit lower. Wait, watch what I'm going to do first before you do this. The 3, gentlemen, watch. Hold on, watch. We're going to put 30. Why did I put 30 there?
Because it's in the 10.
And then what am I going to put here?
A 2.
Very good, because it's in the...
Ones place.
What am I going to put right here?
40.
20.
Not 40. 20 because it's in the...
Tens place.
And the...
4.
Because it's in the...
Ones
Okay,
place.
create your box for me. There you go. If you need to see it, I'll leave it in the middle. Okay, we got it? And what do we need right here? Let's do multiplication. How many of you know how to do this box? Talk it with your group. Go. What type of model is this?
Area model.
Very good, Isaac.
So we multiply these 2 and then these 2.
Okay, explain. Start talking. How are we going to solve this? Okay, how are we going to solve this?
So we solve this by multiplying each number
Okay,
1 by 1.
so start there.
So like 20 multiplied by 30 is 100.
Look. 2
What are we
times
doing
2.
here?
2 times 2.
Is what? 4
Plus the
add
0. Plus the 0.
There you go. Okay, now where are you going to go? You got the top row. How am I going to get this answer?
Wait.
That's right. Oh, is it 60 or 600? 100. Because how many zeros do we have here?
2. And then you add the 2 zeros.
So here, what is 3 multiplied by 4?
12.
Very good. Now what are you multiplying last?
26.
Okay,
2 and a 6.
what are we now going to do?
Add all of the numbers together.
Okay, so they're going to continue with, what is this called again?
An area model.
An area model. And when we come back, they're going to have the answer to this, and we're going to do another type of multiplication problem with multi-digits. We are back live at the Boys and Girls Club on Niles Street, and we have been dealing with multiplication. Yes?
Yes.
And so when we last left, they were finishing their problem, which again, Isaac is called a what?
Area model.
And Edwin, what do you call it?
Window strategy.
Okay. What answer did we all get, everybody?
768.
All right, so again with this model, it's another way to do multiplication, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a repeated addition, which is showing pictures and doing groups. And now we have another type of model, which really is place value, yes?
Yeah.
So we use place value to do that. Again, we do our tens first, and then we multiply over here, yes?
Yes.
And then we go with our tens, our 30 times 4, and then we have our 2 times 4, which is 8. You guys ready for the trick?
Yeah.
So we know standard algorithm, yes?
Yes.
Okay, well this is a type of algorithm, but it's a trick. So, on your paper, what I would like you to write. Well, this one I'm going to do first. Okay, well, go ahead and write it. Let's do 33 multiplied by 21. Okay, everybody write it. Everybody's doing it on their own. So, everybody write 33 multiplied by 21. Yep, everybody. Yeah, you could turn it on that or turn this over. You could turn it over if you want.
So he writes and then I.
Yep, you're going to do it on your own too. Okay, here we go. Now, we are going to do, watch me, 3 lines. Okay, do you guys see what I'm doing? 3 lines. Equals, do your equal sign and do 3 lines. The first thing we're going to do is, we are going to multiply our tens. So we are going to multiply 3 multiplied by 2. What's 3 multiplied by 2, everybody?
6.
Okay.
This is it.
Next, I'm going to multiply my ones. Don't jump ahead of me. I'm going to multiply by my ones, which is 3 multiplied by 1, which is, but look where I put it. I put it on the last number. Okay? So again, we started with our tens, and then I did my ones. Now, this is kind of mental math. I am first going to multiply the outside numbers. Watch. 3 multiplied by 1. What's 3 multiplied by 1? 3. Okay, watch what I do here. Then I'm going to multiply the inside numbers. What's 3 multiplied by 2? 3 multiplied by 2?
6.
6. I'm going to add these two numbers together. What's 3 plus 6?
9.
We just got our answer.
Can I do standard algorithm?
Now I want you to do standard algorithm to check it.
Wait, how do you do that? Oh. How's standard?
Look at these guys. You guys are going fast with your standard algorithm. Did we get it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Did we get 693?
Yes.
How cool is this method?
Very cool. Amazing.
Why do you think it works?
Because place value.
Why? Because of place value. You ready to try one more on your own?
Yeah.
Do we have time?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how quickly you guys can do this. 12 multiplied by 14. We have 1 minute. Let's see how quick. I give you 6 seconds. Yep. Do we get it? As you guys are finishing up, I just want to thank you. You guys have been absolutely amazing today. And it is always great fun coming out here to the Boys and Girls Club on Niles Street and kicking off our season every single year. And you guys have been wonderful. Let me know, has anybody got my answer yet? Do you get 168?
Yep.
168? We did it. You guys are multiplication. Amazing.